Traumatology is a Greek word means traumatos, means injury or wound. Mainly today we discuss the mechanical injuries to the body, physical violence to the body. कौन सी मैकेनिकल इंजरीज होती है बॉडी में? नाम सुना है कोई?
lacerations, abrasion, burn injury, fracture,
abrasion, bruise, laceration, inside wound, firearm injuries, fractures, dislocations, regional injuries like regions, brain injuries, chest injuries, abdominal injuries, pelvic injuries. These are the mechanical injuries result from physical violence to the body. Next. There is some legal definition for the injury for the heart. Injury is defined as any harm whatsoever illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation or property. It is the injury. Any harm illegally caused to the body, mind, reputation or property. But we are mainly concerned with the physical injury. Heart, whoever causes bodily pain, disease, injury, infirmity to any person, impairs, disables or dismembers any organ of the body without causing death. When death occurs means it is the murder, qatl. Heart is the injury without causing the death. It is the heart. Illegally cause any pain, disease, infirmity to the person, which impairs the ability of the person, dismembers any organ, amputation of any organ or part of the person without causing death is heart. Next. Wound is the forceful solution of the anatomical integrity of the any part of the body, even skin, mucous membrane, by application of the physical force. When you apply physical force to the body, it causes the solution of the anatomical integrity of the any part of the soft tissue of the body. Assault. What is assault? Anybody can define? Assault.
कोई भी ऐसा जेस्चर हो या एक्शन हो जो आपके सामने वाले पर्सन को थ्रेटन दे रहे किसी बाय इलीगल मींस और क्रिमिनल,
उसमें क्या चीज होनी चाहिए? फिजिकल वायलेंस होना चाहिए? सिर्फ गाली देके काम चल जाएगा? धमकी,
फिजिकल दोनों.
it is the gesture for the physical violence. It includes both verbal and body language. Like किसी को आपने मुक्का लहरा दिया है, it is also a type of assault. मैं आपको मारूंगा. Making a verbal and body language gesture. It consists of making any gesture or any preparation intending or knowing that such gesture or preparation will cause any person present about to use the criminal force. जैसे किसी को आप सिर्फ ये बोलते हैं मैं तुम्हें कत्ल कर दूंगा, कत्ल की धमकी, इट इज ए मेजर क्राइम. आप सिर्फ किसी को धमकी देते हैं कि मैं तुम्हें कत्ल करूंगा, अगर बंदा वो मारा गया तो आप तो कहेंगे. इट इज द असॉल्ट. नेक्स्ट, बैटरी. बैटरी कौन सी है? गाड़ी की बैटरी है. हाउ यू डिफाइन बैटरी? Battery is the actual application of force to produce the injury. It is the legal term battery. The application of the force, physical force, to produce the physical injury. It is the battery. When you apply the physical force. According to section 350 PPC, Pakistan Penal Code. What is Pakistan Penal Code? क्या चीज है? What is the Qasas and Zaid Act? These are laws in Pakistan which deal the criminal justice in Pakistan. Old law was the PPC, Pakistan Penal Code, Indian Penal Code in the subcontinent, which is then named as a Pakistan Penal Code. Now, after the 1980s General Ziaul, they implement the Shariat law for the criminal justice, which is called the Qasas and Zaid Act. Islamic law, which give punishment about the injury according to Islamic law. We discussed in the detail in the later. Petty is the any gesture which cause any person to apprehend that the person making such a gesture about to use the criminal force and actually apply such criminal force directly or indirectly result in guilty of the offense. जब आप you perform the assault, then actually do the physical violence to the person. It is the battery. Next, trauma. General definition of the trauma: any shock, stress, or damage to body or the mind. These are the terms similar but different definition. Injury, wound, hurt, trauma, assault. Next, heart. It is the legal definition according to Casas and Dice Act in the law. Whoever causes pain, harm, disease or infirmity or injury to any person or impaired disease or dismembers any organ of the body or part thereof any person without causing his death, it is said to cause harm. Next. We classify injuries according to two ways: legal, and second is the cause and effect. What is the cause? What is the causative weapon? And what is the effect on the body? Like bruise, incise wound, laceration wound. And legal, like homicidal, suicidal, accidental, defense wound, fabricated wound. These are the legal classifications. Next, legal, suicidal injuries, homicidal, for the purpose of murder, accidental, defense wound. What are defense wounds? अपने बचाव में, in the defense. What is the fabricated wound?
अगर किसी का false accusation करने से पहले wound और infect करना self-inflicted.
The person produced the injuries, fabricated wound to himself to blame the other. Next, based on the causative factor and resulting effects on the body. Next, when there is mechanical causes, application of physical force on the body, mechanical injuries. When you apply the temperature, thermal injuries, chemical injuries, and miscellaneous scars, like chemical throwing of acids on the body, throwing of acid on the face, which is called the vitriolate. Vitriolate. Next, mechanical injuries result from techniques, application of physical force to the body, which results in the wound production. Force may be a moving weapon. इसने आपने किसी को डंडा मारा है, मूविंग वेपन, और मूविंग बॉडी अगेंस्ट स्टेशनरी वेपन. इसका क्या एग्जांपल है? मूविंग बॉडी अगेंस्ट स्टेशनरी वेपन.
पत्थर या दीवार के ऊपर
लाइक आरटीए, बाइक वाला बंदा किसी से टकरा जाए, पोल से, गाड़ी से, या वैसे दीवार पे टकरा जाए, Mainly it is in the road traffic accident. Like fall from the height. Next, change or impact on the body. Abrasion, contusion. What is contusion? What is bruise? It is close injury. Internal bleeding occurs by application of the force on the body. Laceration. It is produced by the hard blunt object. आपने किसी को डंडा मारा है, उसका गोश्त फट गया. Laceration. Inside wound by sharp cutting edge. किसी को कुल्हाड़ी मारी है, किसी को चाकू मारा है. Stab wound.
sharp object insert
Sharp weapon like किसी को पेट पे आपने खंजर मारा, छुरी मारी. Penetrating wound. Firearm wounds. Fracture, dislocations. Regional injuries involve the different regions like skull, chest. Therapeutic wounds like surgical wounds are for the therapeutic purpose. Next, blunt trauma. Blunt trauma is produced by the hard blunt objects. कौन सी चीजें होती है hard blunt objects? डंडा, पत्थर, लाठी, आटिये, बाल. These are the hard blunt objects. Next. हार्ड बलंट ऑब्जेक्ट से कौन सी इंजरीज प्रोड्यूस होगी? लैसिरेशन और ब्रूज हो गया, अब्रेजन होगा, फ्रैक्चर्स हो सकते हैं. कंफ्यूजन वो ब्रूज हो गया, कंफ्यूजन इज ब्रूज है. शार्प वेपन से क्या होंगे? साइज वुंड हो गया, कट, स्लैश, stab wound, penetrating wound, perforating wound, men would cross the body. There is entry wound and exit wound, perforate the body, like firearm injuries. उसमें आप wound of entry होगा, wound of exit होगा. किसी को पेट में खंजर मारे, आर पार हो जाए. These are the perforating wounds. Next, penetrating and perforating. ये क्या होगा? Find out. That was the perforating. This is the penetrating. Next, firearm injuries, wound of entry and wound of exit, and the track of the bullet. Type of the firearm weapon. कभी यूज किए नहीं? Shotgun and rifled weapon. smooth bore weapon like shotgun और जैसे शॉटगन है आपकी और rifled weapons. It includes the pistols and rifles, which contain the bullets, and the shotgun they contain the pellets. छुरे जो स्मूथ बोर वेपन या जिसको पुराने में बंदूक कहते थे. Next. Classification according to motives. Therapeutics, sports, suicidal, homicidal, accidental, defense wounds, and fabricated wounds. What is the self-inflicted wound? Self and self-suffered. These are both are the fabricated wounds. Self-inflicted means it is caused by the person himself. बंदे ने खुद अपने आप को प्रोड्यूस किए इंजरी. And self-suffered by some friendly hand, by some friend. It is self-suffered. Next. This is the Casas and Dice Act 1997. It was introduced in the General Dawlat in the 90s, then further modified in the 97. Now it is the Casas and Dice Act 97. It has different terms. Itlaf-e-uzu, when you amputate the organ of the person. These are different terms used in the law we discussed in the later class. Next. Mechanical injuries. The major factors which are involved for the injuries, these are the force, application of the force, area which it covers, wider the area, wider the impact, specific effect of the force, and time taken for the transfer of the injury. Injury depends on these factors. Next. Abrasion. It is the superficial injury, which is bleed slightly. There is no scar formation after the healing. It is simple injury, only involves the superficial epithelial layer of the skin, produced by the below or fall on rough surface, like road traffic accident, graves, or by scratching with the fingernail, thorns, or teeth bite, or pressure of string ropes, like ligature mark, pressure of ligature, or throttling, around the neck or other parts of the body. They vary in size and shape. Bleed slightly and it heals completely usually. Leave no scar. 1 old है, 2 days old है. कभी पेशेंट आपके पास 2 दिन के बाद आता है. You have to write down the causative weapon and duration of injury. Red escape from 12 to 14 hours. Reddish brown escape from 2 to 3 days. And healing from periphery 4 to 7 days. Complete healing 10 to 14 days. Next. Antepartum abrasion and postpartum abrasion. Main difference is the vital reaction. No vital reaction in the postpartum abrasion. Color antepartum is a bright reddish brown. Sides antepartum anywhere, postpartum bony prominence on the base. Next. They give the information about the site of impact and possibility of the internal injury. आपको abdomen के ऊपर स्किन में abrasion मिलता है. हो सकता है अंदर ट्रामा हो, किसी ने उसको किक मारी हो. There should be a rupture of the viscera. It may indicate severe injury. Therefore, do the investigation and wait for the time. Nature of the object, cause of injury, motives, direction of injury, and the type of the injury. Site of impact, you can determine. Nature of objects like hanging, strangulation, teeth bite. Next. Cause of injury like ligature mark in the throat link, strangulation. Direction of injury. Initially, there is serrated pardon initially and heaped up epithelium at the end. It indicates direction. Time of injury by the healing process. Next. Abrasion. Next. Next. Ligature mark. Next. Next. Bruise contusion. It is a closed wound. There is no bleeding occur. It is superficial injury. When you apply force on the body, there is internal bleeding in the tissues. Blunt weapon impact may produce sudden indentation of skin and damage to the underlying tissues. Tissue becomes swollen red in color, painful. It is closed wound. There is no break in the continuity of the epidermal layer. It is caused by the blunt force like stick, stone or fist. Bleeding occurs within the tissue. Bruise and contusion. Next, underlying capillaries are ruptured. Infiltration of blood. Larger collection like hematoma in the abdomen, hematoma in the skull, brain, slightly raised skin. Next, shape is usually round, but it may vary according to the weapon used. According to weapon used, like whip, chain, cane. It may appear on the other area than the area of the impact due to the gravity. For example, कोई एग्जाम्पल है इसका, कहीं इंजरी आपने कहीं और मारी और ब्रूज कहीं और अपीयर हो रहा है. ब्रेन में क्या होता है? ब्लैक आई इन द आरडीए. एक्सीडेंट में आपको ब्लैक आई हो जाती है यहाँ पे. When injury occurs, bleeding occurs on the frontal region. यहाँ कोई इम्पैक्ट है, स्कल में कोई इम्पैक्ट है, इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग होगी, ब्लड अक्यूमुलेट बिलो द आई, which is called the black eye. It is a type of bruise due to the effect of the gravity. Next, greater the force, greater the size of the bruise. Bruising also occurs on the internal organs like liver, kidney. ऊपर से किसी को पंच मारा है, लेकिन ऊपर से नजर नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी, लेकिन it can cause the bruise of the viscera, liver and kidney. Next, severity depends on the amount of force used and type of the underlying tissue and age of the person, state of the health. Children and older persons, they are more prone to bruise. Next, these are factors which modify the appearance of the bruise. Next, bruising is more marked in the area where the bones have a no muscular tissue, like chin, fiber tissue नहीं है आपका, वहाँ bruising more prominent होगी. और जहाँ पे मस्कुलर मास ज्यादा होगा, like buttock, palms of toe, वहाँ पे bruising less prominent होगी, जहाँ पे मस्कुलर टिश्यू ज्यादा होगा. Buttock on the palm, toes. Therefore, police uses the charger in these areas. Sometimes bruise appears on these areas after 2 or 3 days. Next, Bruising appears easily around next tissue of the eyes, face, genitals. Not easy bruising on skin. Rare bruising in palms and soles. Next. 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 In the disease condition, it is more prominent. Next. Gravity shifting bruise, like black eye. It is below on the forehead and far on the vertex. Fracture of femur. It produces the bruise on lower side. And below on outer thigh. Flexing around the knee. Next. 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 Age of bruise. By the color changes of the bruise indicate the time of injury. Next. Enzymes of tissue breakdown of hemoglobin. Disintegration RBs by hemolysis, then the pigments. Hemocitrin, hemotidine, and bilirubin. It indicates the duration of injury in the bruise. Disintegration of the RBCs. Next. Fresh indicates the red due to the hemoglobin. Few over to 3 days. Below deoxygenated hemoglobin present. 5 to 4th day, bluish black. Presence of the hemocitrin. 5th to 6th day, greenish. 7 to 12th day, yellow. Second week, normal yellow color. And slowly would fade and removed by the phagocyte. Deep bruise, time may be prolonged. Next. Subconjunctival hemorrhage. It is first red, then yellow, then disappear. Next. Next. Antepartum bruise and postpartum bruise. Mainly is the vital reaction. On the postmortem, जो हम एंटीमार्टम ब्रूज और पोस्टमार्टम ब्रूज को डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, there is true bleeding inside the antepartum bruise. उस ब्रूज को कट करेंगे, ठीक है? अगर अंदर जो उसका ब्लड होगा, it is wash out with the water. Means it is the not true bruise. It is the postmortem bruise. अगर वो wash हो जाए, ब्लड by giving incision to the groove, which is called the incision test. We give the incision and there is bleeding inside the groove. उसमें ब्लीडिंग होगी लेकिन पोस्टमार्टम लिविडिटी में या पोस्टमार्टम ग्रूथ में वो वॉश आउट हो जाएगी, जबकि ट्रू ग्रूथ में वो वॉश आउट नहीं होगी. This is the finding on the difference between the postmortem change and the true groove. Like this, these changes we do in the, like in the Padma case in the Rani Court. There were bruises on the face, multiple bruises, signs of torture in that case. And that was written in the postmortem report. These were the anti-mortem in nature. Take this about the abrasion and bruise. Anything?